Okay, here we are again, back in KG's kitchen. And yes, today we're going to do another review. Now the reason I keep doing these reviews is because I keep finding things I want to try. And check this out, guys. Main Street Kitchen, white cheddar macaroni and cheese with bacon. Main Street Kitchen, fettuccine Alfredo with broccoli. And then Main Street Kitchen, creamy rigatoni with chicken and broccoli. Now, I got all three of these at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. For $1 a piece, can you believe that? I've not tried these. I don't know how good they are. But I'll tell you what, the box itself has to be worth $1. So, I bought 3 of these. That was the 3 different varieties they had at the Dollar Tree I was at. These are 9 ounces each. Each dinner's 9 ounces. Let's see here. They're made, distributed by Kraft Heinz Company in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. That's not bad for $1. Honestly, I didn't think you'd get anything Kraft for under $1. A box of macaroni and cheese is over $1 now. So, I've not tried them, but I'll tell you, right off the bat, I can tell you it's worth $1. So I'm not going to do all 3 of these today. I'm only hungry for one, and I think we're going to try the fettuccine Alfredo with broccoli. So let me get the other ones out of the way, and we'll go ahead and read and see what we're supposed to do to get this thing cooked. Okay, let's see what we're supposed to do here. Let's see how to get this thing cooked. Cooking instructions. Microwave oven only. Developed using 1100 watt model or higher. That's kind of crazy that that it does not have a conventional oven cooking instructions on here. It simply says microwave only, so that's what we'll do. Number 1, remove tray from outer carton. Pull back corner of the film to vent. 2, cook on high for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 3, pull back the film, stir, replace film. Step 4, cook on high for another 2 minutes. 5th, we let stand in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then last but not least, put it in a bowl and enjoy, or just eat it out of the container or tin. I don't know what kind of container it's in, so let's open this thing up and find out. Okay, there it is out of the box. There it is out of the box. That's not looking bad, is it? I can tell you right now, without even cooking it, well worth $1. I guarantee it. Let's peel back one of these corners. Let's go with this one. And get this thing in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Now wait a minute, stop. Stop. 2.5 minutes, I said. There we go. Be back in 2.5. Okay, there's 2.5 minutes. Let's get this thing out. Peel back the film as they instructed us to do. Get this thing stirred up. Still a little, the sauce is still a little watery, but I do imagine that the next go around is going to finish this up. But I gotta say though, it's not looking bad. Look at that. Seriously. For $1, I'm completely surprised. Don't know how it tastes yet, but it's looking pretty good here, ain't it? So let's replace the film cover, like it said. If I can get this stuck together, look at that. Look at that. It's gonna take 2 hands. Okay, keep that in mind. If you buy one of these and make one yourself, when you peel that back, make sure it doesn't overlap, because that thing was stuck pretty good. Alright, let's go back in for 2 more minutes. Alright, see you in 2 minutes. And we're going to give this thing a try. Like I said, it's already worth $1, I'll tell you that much. But, let's just see how it tastes. 3, 2, 1, done. Okay, I'm going to let it stand for 1 to 2 minutes like I said. And we're going to try this thing. Okay, 2 minutes is up. Let's get this thing out of here and give it a try. Alright, let's get this film cover completely off of here. And rip this thing completely off. Go put it in the trash here. Alright. Look at that. The sauce thickened up real nice. Thickened up really nice. I'll tell you what, looks pretty close to the box, don't it? Let's put a little pepper on here because, as you know, pepper makes everything better. Alright, here it is. Let's give it a try, guys. Let's give this a try. Hot. Definitely hot. That broccoli is cooked perfectly. Perfect. That Alfredo sauce is nice. The fettuccine's cooked perfect. I'll tell you what, this gets 2 thumbs up. For $1, I didn't expect much. I really didn't, but this is very good. That's delicious. So I'll tell you what, it's a couple days before payday, you run low on money, or you just want something cheap, quick and easy. Here's your answer. I like this a lot. I wonder if it's a mistake that they sold them for $1. If it is, maybe I better go load up. I don't know. But I will tell you, this is good. This is very good. I'm 100% satisfied. If you like fettuccine Alfredo with broccoli, you're going to love this. I guarantee it. I promise. Again, 2 thumbs up. The Dollar Tree, $1. You cannot beat it. So there you have it. Main Street Kitchen. Fettuccine Alfredo with broccoli. No preservatives. That's important. For $1. And like I say, it's a 9-ounce meal, half a pound of food. That's not bad. So, I'm going to go enjoy this, guys. Until next time.